Hi friends, welcome back to another awesome episode of Setswana Simonate. My name is Kumo and today we will be talking about shapes.
Dumelang ditsala, re a le amogela mo Setswana Simonate. Leina la me ke Motheo. Gompieno re tle go buisana ka dipopego. A re simoleng.
Triangle,
Khutlo tharo,
circle,
sediko,
square,
sekwere,
heart,
pelo,
rectangle,
khutlo nne,
star.
naledi. It's quiz time! It's quiz time! It's quiz time! Friends, this is the part where we see how many of the shapes you remember in Setswana.
Sediko, pelo, naledi.
And that is the end of our video. We would like to thank each and every one of you who has subscribed to our channel. We have hit our first 100, and for that, re rata go le leboga ditsala.
Thank you for 100 subscribers. Thank you.
Bye friends.
Salang sentle ditsala.